Excellent. Closely related to Crystal Star and Captain Z. Ridden by Kara Chad, Excellent's 8-year-old half-sister Crystal Star is making good progress on 1.45 m level already. This foal has good origins with the proven Grand Prix sport and breeding stallions Emerald von Ruytershof, Stakkato, Cassini I and Carthago stacked up. Sire Emerald von Ruytershof was successful at the highest level with Harry Smulders and has produced a remarkable number of top-level horses already. In the third generation, the dam line of Excellent leads back to the mare Libelle VIII, who is listed as the Grand Dam of the 155 level competing stallion Equifit Captain Z of Abdel Said.